Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which type of volcanic activity occurs beneath the ocean's surface? Is it A. Geyser, B. Underwater volcano, or C. Lava flow? It is B. Underwater volcano. Which acid builds up in muscles during intense exercise? Is it A. Hydrochloric acid, B. Citric acid, or C. Lactic acid? It is C. Lactic acid. What position did Jair Bolsonaro hold in Brazil from January 2019 to December 2022? Is it A. President, B. Senator, or C. Governor? It is A. President. Which football club does Kylian Mbappé play for as of 2023? Is it A. Paris Saint-Germain, B. Manchester United, or C. Real Madrid? It is A. Paris Saint-Germain. What is the primary focus of NPR's Up First podcast? Is it A. Sports commentary, B. Daily news summary, or C. Movie reviews? It is B. Daily news summary. What is the name of the YouTube channel created by Rhett and Link, known for its comedic talk show format? Is it A. Good Mythical Morning, B. Epic Mealtime, or C. Dude Perfect? It is A. Good Mythical Morning. What is the primary focus of Blue Origin's business? Is it A. Electric cars, B. Space tourism, or C. Renewable energy? It is B. Space tourism. Which NFL team did Michael Strahan play for during his career? Is it A. Miami Dolphins, B. New York Giants, or C. Dallas Cowboys? It is B. New York Giants. What is an omnivore? Is it A. Both eater, B. Meat eater, or C. Plant eater? It is A. Both eater. Which country is Tripoli the capital of? Is it A. Lebanon, B. Libya, or C. Tunisia? It is B. Libya. Which planet's moon is Io? Is it A. Mars, B. Saturn, or C. Jupiter? It is C. Jupiter. Who served as Taoiseach of Ireland before Leo Varadkar? Is it A. Michael Martin, B. Enda Kenny, or C. Bertie Ahern? It is A. Michael Martin. What is the most famous geothermal feature located in Yellowstone National Park? Is it A. Old Faithful, B. Grand Canyon, or C. Half Dome? It is A. Old Faithful. What genre is Psycho and similar films classified as? Is it A. Comedy, B. Romantic drama, or C. Dark thriller? It is C. Dark thriller. What is the musical format characterized by a series of short, contrasting movements often derived from dance forms called? Is it A. Suite, B. Sonata, or C. Concerto? It is A. Suite. What fashion movement is Vivienne Westwood primarily known for influencing? Is it A. Bohemian, B. Minimalism, or C. Punk? It is C. Punk. What is the primary focus of the Sundance Film Festival? Is it A. Independent films, B. Animated films, or C. Documentary series? It is A. Independent films. Which territory did Catherine the Great expand significantly during her reign as Empress of Russia? Is it A. Crimea, B. Alaska, or C. Siberia? It is A. Crimea. Which popular YouTube series was created by Shane Dawson that explores conspiracy theories? Is it A, conspiracy series, B, vlog squad, or C, makeup tutorials? It is A, conspiracy series. Which prestigious award is associated with the University of Cambridge's alumni, including multiple Nobel laureates? Is it A, Pulitzer Prize, B, Nobel Prize, or C, Booker Prize? It is B, Nobel Prize. What genre of music is the song Havana by Camila Cabello featuring Young Thug primarily categorized under? Is it A, jazz, B, rock, or C, pop? It is C, pop. Which scavenger is known for its laugh-like vocalizations? Is it A, hyena, B, jackal, or C, vulture? It is A, hyena. What type of strategic interaction is primarily studied in game theory? Is it A, resource allocation, B, decision-making, or C, market competition? It is B, decision-making. Which dystopian novel is Aldous Huxley best known for? Is it A, 1984, B, Brave New World, or C, Fahrenheit 451? It is B, Brave New World. Which river did René Robert Cavelier, Sieur de la Salle, famously explore and claim for France? Is it A, Mississippi River, B, Ohio River, or C, Missouri River? It is A, Mississippi River. What are the major mountain range in Europe known for their picturesque landscapes and skiing resorts? Is it A, Alps, B, Andes, or C, Himalayas? It is A, Alps. Which religion was founded by Joseph Smith in the 19th century? Is it A, Scientology, B, Mormonism, or C, Seventh-day Adventism? It is B, Mormonism. What traditional Japanese dish is kura known for producing and aging? Is it A, ramen, B, sushi, or C, sake? It is C, sake. What is the primary format of the Indian Premier League tournament? Is it A, Test, B, One Day, or C, 2020? It is C, 2020. What is shamanic initiation often associated with? Is it A, spiritual enlightenment, B, ecstatic trance, or C, physical healing? It is B, ecstatic trance. What does quantum entropy measure in quantum mechanics? Is it A, temperature change, B, information content, or C, particle velocity? It is B, information content. What occurs during socialization process? Is it A, developing personality, B, learning behaviors, or C, growing physically? It is B, learning behaviors. Which foundational feminist text was written by Simone de Beauvoir? Is it A, The Second Sex, B, A Room of One's Own, or C, The Feminine Mystique? It is A, The Second Sex. In which South American country is the city of Maracaibo located? Is it A, Venezuela, B, Colombia, or C, Brazil? It is A, Venezuela. What is the capital of Kiribati, located on South Tarawa? Is it A, Tarawa, B, Majuro, or C, Honiara? It is A, Tarawa. What is involved in archival research? Is it A, finding information, B, conducting experiments, or C, collecting data? It is A, finding information. What is the primary effect of ocean currents on climate? Is it A, wave formation, B, salinity control, or C, temperature regulation? It is C, temperature regulation. What event is the term 9/11's attacks primarily associated with? Is it A, World War II, B, terrorist attacks on the US, or C, the fall of the Berlin Wall? It is B, terrorist attacks on the US. What rare earth element has the atomic number 69? Is it A, terbium, B, ytterbium, or C, thulium? It is C, thulium. What is Tableau primarily used for in data analysis? Is it A, data visualization, B, data entry, or C, data storage? It is A, data visualization. Which director is known for creating the film Avatar? Is it A, Steven Spielberg, B, James Cameron, or C, George Lucas? It is B, James Cameron. What is Christopher Columbus widely credited with discovering in 1492? Is it A, America, B, India, or C, Australia? It is A, America. What is the capital of the Marshall Islands? Is it A, Majuro, B, Tarawa, or C, Palikir? It is A, Majuro. Which company is known for the PlayStation console? Is it A, Nintendo, B, Microsoft, or C, Sony? It is C, Sony. What is Guadalajara known as the birthplace of in Mexico? Is it A, mole, B, tacos, or C, tequila? It is C, tequila. What is the primary purpose of meiosis in living organisms? Is it A, repair tissues, B, generate energy, or C, produce gametes? It is C, produce gametes. What type of investment company is Alden known for managing? Is it A, technology, B, real estate, or C, pharmaceuticals? It is B, real estate. What is the initial process of development that occurs after fertilization called? Is it A, morphogenesis, B, gametogenesis, or C, embryogenesis? It is C, embryogenesis. What type of musical ensemble commonly features the oboe as a key woodwind instrument? Is it A, orchestra, B, brass band, or C, rock band? It is A, orchestra. What type of sport is featured in the Ryder Cup? Is it A, baseball, B, tennis, or C, golf? It is C, golf. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.